John Deere 2210 HST. It got to where it wasn't charging, and I see a lot of people have that issue now. First thing I thought, voltage regulator. And I've got a video on this where I bought one off of Amazon. Looks identical to it. The two bolt studs were taller. The little places where the bolts go through were taller. Didn't quite fit. I milled it down, made it work. The colors of the wires weren't correct, although Amazon said it was the same regulator. It's not. Don't buy a regulator from Amazon. Make sure you get the green connector on the end of it and your colors of your wires match. However, found out since then, it's not likely that your voltage regulator is the problem. This little guy right here, this is a relay, and it has something to do. I haven't traced it out, but it's got something to do with the battery charging. That relay it mounts right there behind the regulator. This is what I found was wrong with it. So I took it apart. I actually cut it off. So I'm going to lay this over here and see if I can get a background. Let me show you this. Yep. So when those two wires connect, these two front wires right here connect. These are the two that comes up and goes to the coil, and you can also see the coil. It's got a little discoloration on it there. But when those two wires connect, you see it'll lift that plate up. And if you can see, I don't know if you can, there's a little metal contactor on the top of that coil, that magnet. Anyway, it's not able to go down far enough.
To make a long story a little bit shorter, just buy this relay instead of the regulator and you will most likely fix your John Deere charging problems.